What we make?
A choo-choo train.
Show me your choo-choo train.
Right here.
Show me. Tell me what it is.
It's red.
It's a red choo-choo train? And what other color you got?
Blue.
A blue choo-choo train?
Red and blue choo-choo train.
What's the blue choo-choo train name?
Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train? Which one do you like?
I got Thomas the Train.
You like Thomas the Train? Show me Thomas.
Right there.
Right there? Go make his friend go. Go make Percy go.
Okay.
You gonna make him crash? No? Make the other one go on the other track. Turn the track, Donovan. Go the other way. Yeah. You making them crash again? And then we gotta go get you some batteries for your other train, okay? The one for the controller. Say bye. Say that's my Thomas the Train set.